Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to make the fox in origami. Let's get started. Start with the back side up, fold vertically in half. Then unfold it. Now fold horizontally in half. Get the top corner and fold it to the bottom middle point. Now get these two corners, fold it to the top middle point. Leave a little gap. Now flip the model. Draw the eyes and nose for the fox face. Here is the fox face. There, I have a lovely fox face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!